Hey Ashley, I haven't made a video in a really long time and feel really guilty, but I'm lazy. But anyway, so, I went to the bookstore Wednesday, which was yesterday, I believe, and I got some awesome stuff, so I'm gonna show you. I got this book, The Perks of Being a Wallflower. Amazing. You have to read it if you haven't already. It's like one of the most amazing books I've ever read. And then I got this book, Neverwhere, by Neil Gaiman. Haven't read it yet, but I know it's going to be awesome because on the front it says, delightful, inventively horrific. It draws equally from George Lucas, Monty Python, Doctor Who, and John Milton. The chemical stuff of nightmare and daydream. So just based on the fact that it says George Lucas, Monty Python, and Doctor Who, that just means it's going to be amazing. And then I got this, issue number 403. So, pretty awesome. It's like thinner than other ones. I don't know what's up with that. And then I got this issue of Mental Floss. I love this magazine. It's amazing. And then finally, the most amazing thing ever. I'm so excited to finally own this because it's like my absolute favorite movie ever of all time. And I'm so happy I finally watch it because I don't have to like look it up on like the internet and have to deal with like all those annoying random stuff, you know. So, yeah, in science, in physics, today we watched Star Wars episode 3. And we have like this big huge worksheet of questions we have to answer. Right here. First question, describe a few of the weapons in the movie, at least 2. Number 2, what evidence supports the idea that artificial gravity on the ship when Anakin and Obi-Wan rescue the Chancellor runs from the ship power? Number 3, how does Obi-Wan end up killing General Grievous? Number 4, briefly explain how the ships are able to safely travel in cities. Number 5, why does the Chancellor attack Mace Windu with? What does the Chancellor attack Mace Windu with? Number 6, Obi-Wan survives after landing in the water after freefall. How do you think this planet's gravitational pull compares with that of Earth's? Number 7, what is Order 66? Number 8, discuss how Yoda uses rotational inertia to help his attack on the Emperor with the disc platform. Number 9, Anakin doesn't bleed to death after losing his legs. What does this tell you about lightsabers? And number 10, and to think there never would have been a Darth Vader if they would have been able to get him some psychiatric help. So, I think it's pretty awesome that we're watching Star Wars because Star Wars is amazing. Like, I was so obsessed with it when I was a kid. Like, before Harry Potter, there was Star Wars. That type of thing, you know? So, it was pretty exciting that we have all these questions to answer. And then that was like the lead-in to our space colony project. We have to build like this space colony, spaceship type thing. And we have to make up like a whole background story, like the history of like why it's in space and like the technology they use, like if there's a government and the laws and like just like a whole, basically we're writing like a science fiction short story type of thing and then building a spacecraft to go with it. So that'll be pretty fun.